Felt craft for Xmas. Mindful, healthy, and heartwarming handmade decoration. This version focuses entirely on felt crafts, cozy, soft, and colorful, while highlighting the mental health benefits. Mindfulness and joy of creating handmade decoration decor is written in a calm, soothing tone, ideal for relaxing narration, ASMR, or craft tutorials. This season of warmth has arrived, a time to slow down, to create, and to fill our homes with homemade joy. Xmas isn't just about lights and sparkle, it's about love, patience, and creativity, and one of the most heartwarming ways to celebrate it. It through felt craft, soft, colorful, and comforting. Felt craft bring imagination to life and peace to the mind. Felt is more than fabric, it's a cozy texture that reminds us of winter, mitten, snowflakes, and childhood memories. It's easy to shape, simple to stitch, and full of possibilities. From tiny ornaments to big garland, felt adds a handmade charm to every decoration when you hold it. You can feel warmth not just from the material but from the time you give to create. You can make little stars, hearts, trees, reindeer, or snowman, or from felt sheets. Cut the shape gently. Add a short, soft cotton inside to make them fluffy and light. Use colorful threads to sew the edges, red, white, or gold. Attach a jute string or ribbon and hang them on your Xmas tree or your front door wreath. Each little piece becomes a symbol of care, creativity, and the beauty of simplicity. When you create something by hand, time to slow down, every stitch becomes a breath. Every color you choose a reflection of your mood and emotion. This quiet rhythm of crafting brings calm to your thoughts. You begin to focus only on the texture, the pattern, the softness in your hands. This mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, felt craft turns simple creations into peaceful meditation. Crafting is therapy, gentle and natural. When you work with felt, your mind relaxes, it reduces anxiety, helps you sleep better, and brings happiness from within. For children, improves creativity and concentration. For adults, it brings calm and joy after a busy day. Every cut, every thread, and every color lifts your mood. The softness of felt is like comfort for the heart. Felt crafts becomes even more magical when done together. Sit with your family, with your children or friends. Let everyone choose their favorite color. Maybe red, green, or snowy white. Make ornaments, garlands, or door hanging as a team. You will laugh, you will share ideas, then you will create more than crafts. You will create memories. That's the real spirit of Xmas together, love and joy. Once your crafts are ready, decorate your space, hang felt stars on your Xmas tree, place felt heart on your fireplace mantle, add a felt snowman on your front door wreath. You can even create a cozy table runner or a garland that says Happy Festival. Each decoration will carry your energy, your time, your space, your happiness. So this Xmas, let your heart guide your hands. Pick up the scissors, the threads, and a few sheets of felt, and start your creative journey. Enjoy every small step, from cutting to stitching, from decorating to smiling, because the true beauty of felt craft lies not in perfection. Enjoy every small step, from cutting to stitching, from decorating to smiling, because the true beauty of felt craft lies not in perfection but in love behind every creation. Stay peaceful, stay mindful, and let your handmade decoration will fill your home with warmth, color, and light. Happy festival, and may your creativity shine brighter than any star on the tree. So, have a very beautiful and amazing journey, and may your creativity, may your work shine brighter than any star on the tree. So thank you once again. Thank you for joining, be a part of this journey, and thank you for your amazing response. In this video, we have shared some trees, ornaments, and beautiful ideas with made with felt craft ornaments with something embroidered and beautiful idea.